Welcome to All Things Maintenance. Today we're going to be diving into tire pressure with one of our expert technicians, Drew. Drew, what is tire pressure?
Tire pressure is the measurement of the amount of air that is in your tire. The standard one that we use here in the US is PSI, which is pounds per square inch. PSI is the one that you will most commonly see on a car.
Why is maintaining the right tire pressure important?
Maintaining the right tire pressure is important to your vehicle to make sure that your tires aren't being worn down prematurely. A set of tires should last anywhere from 40,000 to 60,000 miles. If you don't keep up with your tire pressures, you could cause them to wear faster or possibly even have a tire blowout.
What happens if your tire pressure is too low?
So if your tire pressure is too low, the edges of your tire will start to wear faster than the middle of the tire. This can also cause issues with your fuel economy. Your engine will have to work harder to move more tire since it's flattened out. It will cause you to use more gas. It's also important that you don't have any kind of issues with your tire falling off the rim because it doesn't have enough pressure, or the tire exploding from not having enough pressure too.
So how can I tell the right tire pressure for my car?
So every vehicle has a placard on the inside of the driver door jamb. It's usually yellow and white, and that will show you your vehicle's tire size as well as the tire pressure that it takes for both the front and rear. You cannot tell tire pressure on the tire. That is a common misconception that people think. They look at their tire, it will say max rating for that specific tire. And a lot of people will air their tire up to that max rating. That is just what the tire can handle before it blows up. We recommend always using the door placard that's inside your car for the manufacturer recommended tire pressure.
I did not know that. So if I'm wanting to fill up my tires, where can I do that?
So if you show up to our dealer, Toyota Warsaw, and you go through the service department, our service writers will gladly come out and air up your tires for you. There's usually air stations at gas stations as well that you can always visit, or car washes sometimes will have them, or you can air them up at home if you have an air compressor.
Here at Toyota of Warsaw, we can help you with your tire pressure needs or any other maintenance needs that you might have. Give us a call or go to our website to schedule an appointment today. Thank you.